Hey everyone, Vitaly here, and in today's short video, I'm going to show you how to create affiliate links in the Avantlink affiliate network. This is something that used to be a bit more complicated to do a few years ago, but they've really simplified the process. There are a few steps involved still in doing so, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So basically, the summary of the process is that you have to go into a merchant website that's part of the Avantlink network, find the product that you wish to promote, grab the URL of that product and paste it into their custom link builder to get your affiliate link, and I'll show you how that looks like right now. So what you're looking at right here is my affiliate dashboard within Avantlink, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to a website called REI, which is one of the merchants that's part of Avantlink. It's one of the many merchants that are there, but what I'm looking to do over here is just find any product that I'm looking to promote. So either I already know what the product is, or maybe I'm browsing through whatever selections they have to see what I'd be interested in promoting. So let's say I click on hiking jackets, and then I click on, let's say, this one right here. So this is the one that I want to promote. Okay, no problem. What I'm going to want to do is go up here where you get the URL of this product page, copy that, then head over to Avantlink itself, your dashboard area, click on custom link builder. And this is where you're going to want to enter the actual URL of this page that you are on. Or if you're going through another merchant that's part of the Avantlink network, you still repeat the same process, but for whatever product page is associated to that particular program. But anyway, getting back to the point. Once you click on this and you click on create, it'll give you the link, and this is the one. This is your affiliate link. You're basically done. But you can go further if you want, and there are certain circumstances that I recommend you do that through. And if you're interested in that, what you can do here is click on tracking link settings. Once you click on that, these options open up. Now, when it comes to choosing between hyperlink and HTML, I leave it on hyperlink because this is just going to give you the full URL without any kind of code, and you can put that into YouTube videos where you promote the products, or through some kind of blog where you put it into the anchor text and stuff like that. Simple stuff like that, so I just leave this as is. Affiliate website, this is, you can disregard this. In my case, it lists this website, but it has no association with this. Well, I mean, it does through the Avantlink network, but I can just as well put my affiliate link on a YouTube video, on some kind of Pinterest pin. It doesn't matter. So what I'm saying is you can disregard this part. Now, custom tracking code is optional, but it is important. Why is it important? Well, let's imagine for a second that I'm trying to promote this jacket through two areas, my website and a YouTube video. So I will essentially be creating two different affiliate links. Now, I would want to know if the sales are coming from the YouTube video or from my website, so I can see where I can focus more of my attention on. So I'd create one affiliate link, let's say, that says YouTube video, and then click on shorten URL to make it simpler. I'll show you in a second what this looks like, but if I click on create, it'll give me that link and it'll say YouTube video at the end. So if I get sales from a YouTube video, in the tracking, it'll say that. So I'll be like, okay, this sale came from the YouTube video that I made. Maybe I can make more videos about this stuff. Now, if you click on shorten URL and you click on create again, you'll see that you get a much more shorter link, but it's the previous one that you saw. It's just much more shortened, and this is actually what I prefer to do because these are the links that I put into my YouTube videos and stuff like that. It's just much easier to read. So I'll copy this and I'll put it into a YouTube video, into a Pinterest pin, into my website and stuff like that, and that's how I do it. Again, this is extra stuff where you can just go through the original way that I showed it to you before, click on create without going through all this tracking stuff if you want to, but I just gave you more customizable options that are available if you're interested, and that's how you create affiliate links on the Avantlink affiliate network. There's a few steps required, but if you do this a couple of times and you get the practice in, it becomes easier. I'll include the instructions below this video to kind of summarize it, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below. Now, I do also want to mention that if you are someone that's doing affiliate marketing, and if you're new or struggling and you need help, I'm going to also leave a link below this video in the description to what I recommend as my #1 resource for learning about affiliate marketing that trained me to become an affiliate marketer. I do this full time. Here are some of my stats and other products and programs that I promote. So if you're new and you need help with this kind of stuff, check out that resource for more information. But other than that, thank you so much for checking out today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, everyone.